Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video I am going to show you how I organize my painting material and how I use them in drawing. This is the box where I keep my drawing kit at one place. Let me open it for you. This is so colorful, right? And I feel to draw now. Let me start with this box. So I have already shown you a video of Bristol painting stand. So I kept all my painting bottles in that box. Now this is empty, so I stored all these color pencils in it. It's so convenient. And coming to this part, I always use this disposable glasses to keep all these sketch pens because they're very convenient. If you want to take any color, you can take it easily, and they are very comfortable to organize. So this is the way I organize. These are connector sketch pens. And coming to this one, this is acrylic water marker. So in what way they are different, I'll show you in another video. And I have spare two scales. So they are water markers, and I have permanent markers because if you want to highlight outline in any drawing or painting, so you can use permanent marker as well. That looks so pretty. And coming to this one, they are all connectors, sketch pens, and here you can find two types. So one is, this is brush pen, and this is chisel marker. And these are some sketch pens, and I use the stick pens also to highlight any line, border or something. They are very thin. And some sketch pens. And here if you can see, these two are fabrica, like they are used for cloth. On fabric you can use it. It comes with Fevicol, so you can draw designs with the glitters. And Fevicol bottles I have, and some very cute sketch pens with a whitener. Whitener, I'll give you a tip. See, if you want to any painting or drawing, if you want to sprinkle white colored dots, as I have shown you in my video Easy Painting 1, you can take a toothbrush and apply some paint on it, and then you can sprinkle like this. So this is one way, and the other way, you can manually put dots with whitener. If you don't have white marker, you can use this whitener to put dots on it. It looks so beautiful. And coming to these two boxes, there's a story here. These two boxes are very old, like 20 years back I bought these two boxes. So I'll show you what I kept inside. Yes, they are craft items. So if you want to cut the paper in a shape, so this scissor is used, and I have a compass, divider, and some protractor, triangle, and these are different designs to cut the paper, craft paper. I have never used this, but the age of it is so old, so I kept it precious. And there is one more box. I kept some extra stuff here. Okay, ribbon to tag the gift, and some cello tapes and these things. And this is a gripper. So if you want to draw on a paper and you want to make it grip to the writing pad, so you can use like this. So it will be very strong. And some extra stuff I have. Coming to this Fevicol and extra pencils I have, I specially want to show something about this. These are, I brought in exhibition, so they are used to draw different designs like this. I have never used this, but I keep it. Glue drops I have, and these are 3 sizes of stencils. And this is 30 years back I bought this in my native place, but it is still with me. I have never used it, but it's still with me. I really liked it. So this is all my painting stuff, how I organize the things. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.